My name is Vartik Chaubisa and I work as a quantitative analyst at Choice. Today we have here with us Mr. Chintan Haria, who's the product head and the head of strategy at ICICI Prudential. Can you describe what an ETF is and how they differ from mutual funds for our new age investors?
And if I have to just explain what an ETF simply is, an ETF is an exchange traded fund, which is basically a passive instrument.
So what strategy should an investor follow if they want to invest in an ETF?
First of all, any investor, if you're looking at investing, the first thing that you should do is you should do your risk profiling with a professional advisor. That is always important. Potential growth of income. They will suggest a particular asset plan.
Recently at Choice, we introduced a smart beta basket that contains 2 ICICI ETFs. Who should consider investing in these ETFs?
Sure. So I think all investors, combination, I think I must credit you for having chosen these 2 to form a basket. And I think investors, if they invest with patience and have the steady mindset over 5 years, 10 years, they will grow their wealth along with India's growth through these 2 products. So congratulations for that. There is no restriction on only the people who understand markets and are an advisor, a financial advisor